Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Christian Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 version 25x2 from Windows Insider program. So Windows 11 25x2 already there on Microsoft website. So in this video I using Windows as Insider program to upgrade to Windows as 11 25x2. So open settings and click Windows Update, click Windows Insider program, but you must check compatibility. Are the computer compatible to run Windows 11? Open PC hard check. So click check now. So PC meet Windows 11 and system requirement because the secure boot is enabled, TPM 2.0 enabled, and the memory system 4 GB and processor all is support. Okay, so close PC hard check. Oh my god. Okay, so click get started. Okay, click link and account. So I already have account, so click continue. Okay, I choose dev channel, click confirm. So click confirm, click restart now. So this is the Windows 11 Insider preview with process downloading and installing to finish. Okay, so the process has finished. Click restart now. Okay, update and are underway. Please keep your computer on. Now PC is restart and update to Windows 11. Okay, wait, process is working on update to finish. Now I in Windows 11 25x2. Okay, check the version. So the version dev. Okay, so this is the Windows 11 25x2. Okay, so this is the Microsoft Store. All Windows 10 is in Windows 11. Okay, new feature on Windows 11 and version 25x2. So the new start menu. So this is the start menu, and there's category, grid and list. Okay, grid, list. So there's utilities and tools, productivity, order, and information, reading, creativity, games, entertainment, and accessibility. Okay, so this is the new feature on Windows 11 version 25H2. Okay, so the taskbar. So the taskbar is so okay. So the icon start menu and icon is so small. Okay, so this is the new feature on Windows 11 version 25X2. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe. See you next time.